Welcome everyone, this is Masters Joke here, also Masters Joke 75 on Instagram. I picked up a Masters of the Universe Origins Stridor last week from the Entertainer, £15. I've got the original, but £15 seemed too good to be true, so I thought I'd buy one. Free postage if you spend £20 or more. So I also picked up from the Entertainer a Bib Fortuna, and he was £10, and I thought that was a good deal as well. It's a figure that I've wanted to get but wasn't that fussed about, but £10, you can't go wrong. So I'm going to get this open and we'll see what it's like. Right, so I've got Stridor and all the contents of the box out. That took longer than I thought it would, but it looks really good. So I'm going to try and put this set together. So I think that goes. Let's have a look. So I think this is the stand. And then you get a different head, well, armour to put on Stridor's head. So I suppose you can put that on like that. And then how does that go? I don't know what way that goes. Oh, this way. So that goes. So that's a stand that goes on there, and he's got his little guns. Or is it this way? So the guns go on here, but I can't actually. Oh, this is the other side. I've just realised that my original Stridor, I've lost the tail on it. So that goes on there. There's the reins. Yeah, because one of the things that put me off buying this was that I wasn't sure if it can actually move, because in the pictures it just looked like it was on a stand. But no, I mean, at least the legs do move. But no, that looks alright. That looks quite good. I don't know what you're supposed to do with it. I don't know what there's no instructions. I don't know what you're supposed to do with these. Let's put a figure in there. So I've got Zodak, or Zodiac as I used to call him when I was a kid. Let's put him in there. I don't know where these go. Unless they go on the end there. I don't know. But no, £15. I think that was a good price. Really, really good price. So I've made myself a little bit more room, worked out where these blue things go. So these go on the end of the actual guns. So one goes there. And then another one goes on here. It does help if you look at the box. Put them down. And then one goes on the back gun as well. And then I think I prefer the other armour on Stridor. yeah, no, I think it looks great. So yeah, as I said, £15 at the Entertainer. £20 or more, you get free postage. Yeah, well worth it. Well worth it, and I'm glad I got it. I think it's a really good, one of those really good toys from Mattel. Really pleased with it. Yeah, it's a lot better than what I thought it would be. So I didn't think it came off the stand. So yeah, so that is that's my review of the Masters of the Universe Origins Stridor. Great price, great value for money. Don't forget to don't forget to like and subscribe. Lets me know you care. Also, don't forget to check out my other video. This is the second one, and also all my shorts. So that's it. The vlog is over.